Hi there, my name's Helen and I'm the Wellbeing Advisor for Mood Essential Oils. You can book a session with me to help improve your well-being. So what I do in these is I use a variety of techniques to help you. So what I will use is a law of attraction based techniques, relaxation, meditation and some chakra based techniques also. So the sessions will include identifying the goals that you want to achieve for your own well-being, giving you techniques that will help you achieve these. I can give advice on the use of essential oils and other holistic aids that will help whatever condition that you're dealing with, breathing techniques, meditations and guided visualizations. So book a session with me and we will see how we can help you get to where you want to be. Now, I'm not a doctor, so I will not be giving any kind of medical advice. That's for you to consult with your own GP. But I'm here to help you in whatever way that I can to overcome any of the issues that are hindering your well-being. The techniques I use are all ones that I've tried myself and have really helped me. They've helped my own self-esteem and confidence. So I look forward to hearing from you and I look forward to working with you.